How to verify your ID on Upwork. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on Upwork. Now unfortunately I'm unable to show you through the application itself because unfortunately I'm unable to access to my account here due to the in-app glitch here. Now I'm not being able to enter in my skills here. Comment down below if you have facing this similar issue. I'll make a different video on how you can fix it. Now but currently here I'll just be guiding you through. The first thing is here before you begin section. Before you are ready to verify your identity by you'll have to have the following things ready: a valid government issued ID. The country on your Upwork profile should match the country on your ID. Make sure your Upwork profile photo is yourself and accurately represents your current appearance. Make sure the names on your withdrawal method, tax information and tax forms match the name on your ID. Upwork will use the name on the identity documents you give them as your verified name. Now, the types of government issued ID you can read here. The documents they accept is passport, national card, NIC or CNIC driver's license, NVI clearance, Philippines only, tax ID, voter ID, postal ID or any other government issued photo ID that meets these criteria. For refugees and asylum seekers, they may accept UNHCR issued documents, asylum seeker temporary visa or asylum seeker certificate. To verify your identity, they'll let you know, they'll give you a notification when it's time to verify your identity. Make sure you have read the before you begin section. I just read it out to you, and select the link in your email or notification to start the process. So you will either get the link to your email or you'll get the notification on the app or through the Upwork app. Then you'll have to follow the steps listed. You'll need to scan a QR code to continue the process on your phone. If the images requested are captured successfully and match your profile information, your identity will be verified instantly. So you'll have to allow them 3 business days for the badge to appear on your profile. So this way you can verify your ID on Upwork. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.